Prepare for the D-VXR-DY-01 exam with realistic practice questions, expert-focused preparation, and the confidence to pass on your first attempt. Question number 1. What is the purpose of VxRail Manager in the VxRail configuration process? Option A, it is used to manage the virtual machines. Option B, it is used to monitor the cluster after deployment. Option C, it is used to configure the network settings. Option D, it is used to configure the storage settings. The correct answer is option B, it is used to monitor the cluster after deployment. Question number 2. What should be done in post-production phase? Option A, 3 nodes. Option B, 2 nodes. Option C, 5 nodes. Option D, 1 node. The correct answer is option A, 3 nodes. Question number 3. What are the 2 methods of node discovery in a VxRail environment? Option A, automatic discovery, IP discovery. Option B, automatic IPv4, mapping static IPv6, mapping. Option C, automatic loudmouth, IP loudmouth. The correct answer is option A, automatic discovery, IP discovery. Question number 4. Which of the following is a component of the VxRail cluster that needs to be initialized during the deployment process? Option A, VxRail Manager. Option B, ESXi Hypervisor. Option C, vCenter Server. Option D, VxRail Nodes. The correct answer is option D, VxRail Nodes. Question number 5. What is a key consideration when upgrading a VxRail cluster's software version? Option A, increasing network bandwidth. Option B, managing power consumption. Option C, ensuring hardware compatibility. Option D, optimizing storage performance. The correct answer is option C, ensuring hardware compatibility. Question number 6. What is the first step in deploying a VxRail cluster? Option A, perform a health check on the nodes. Option B, rack and stack the equipment. Option C, validate the network configuration. Option D, run the VxRail deployment assistant. The correct answer is option B, rack and stack the equipment. Prepare for the D-VXR-DY-01 exam with realistic practice questions and expert resources. Visit the Search Lab today and start preparing